Alright, so here go the third pair. This is gonna be the all black, triple black Grand Hill 3. So let's take a look at it. Go to tag for the box, Grand Hill 3, triple black, size 10, US size. And the box looks exactly as the other one. And let's open it up. Take the invoice out. Set that aside. Same exact tissue wrapping paper from the last Grand Hill I just showed you. And oh man, hold on. This is the pair I was telling about in the beginning of the video that I might send these back. I wasn't too sure on this one, but nah, they look way different in person. They look way better. So you got a little hint of some patent leather on there. Some Fila buck, whatever it is they call it. No lie, man. These are pretty light. These are pretty sharp. Let me show you the other one. I don't want to remove that tag yet. And I want you to see the whole entire shoe. So, let's be the outside. There you go right there. What y'all think? It's all triple black. You got shine, this here shiny. You got that patent leather around here. You got the Fila buck all the way around. And then above the Fila buck, you got the synthetic leather. And, man, these are live, no lie. I don't know. I'll see what they look like. I might just end up keeping them, no lie. I think I will. I think I paid, for these, I paid, this was the more expensive of the three. After the 25%, I think I paid like $95 or something like that. And look at that, there's no other color on this shoe. Just all black. It's triple black, everything. Except, of course, the tag. If I can show it to you, can I show it to you? I'll try. There it goes, right there. Same deal as the other one. You got Fila and you got heel over it, but you could rarely see the heel on there, which is all good, don't even matter. Man, what y'all think? Need you guys, if you guys could comment below which of the three you like the most. I will probably say, for me, would be the cage, because I got on Fila looking for the cage and I stumbled on these. But I still like these, but I was there for the cage. Man, did I show you this on the other one? This here, this little heel tab. Let me see right quick, hold up. Okay, yeah, I don't think I showed it to you. There you go right there. So again, on these, I'm gonna put the toe shields on them. That way I don't go creasing them up or nothing. And I'm gonna give you guys our own feet on these here. These triple black Grand Hill 3s.
Commanders, we go, stand up, get close, never jammed up, we explode, on the enemy like window, 6-6 on the hip, extendo, like a banana clip, ready for war, in the field for the kill, no more, pop, pop, bow down, reload. I done been up in the game for too long to not decide which side I'ma stand on. God hold me accountable to the things he showed me and he made known. You can stand there if you want to, and never bust a move, but homie, I'ma promise you. When it really go down to the trumpet sound, every knee gon' bow, that includes you. Last days to the face like a razor blade, something but 50 praise, no shame. Remember in the pain of the one slain, Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end day. Made up in the image of the only reason one came. Banging on the adversary is an everyday thing. Swore swinging like a Chevy in the fast lane, weighing heavy like a sumo to the men brain.